Hi, I would like to quickly give you a demo about how to grab a lead in Justdial. Before I do that, let me tell you that grab a lead is a unique feature which allows every business to pay for only performance. What that means is it empowers every business owner to pre-screen the lead information before buying it. Now let me start the demo by launching the Justdial app from my phone. Now this is exactly how the Justdial homepage looks like. It has an envelope icon right at the bottom of the app in the footer. The envelope icon is a shortcut to the leads page, which every business owner will see in the footer by default. Now the icon has a red dot indicating 1, which means I have one new lead available for grab. Now let me click on the icon and show you how the lead section looks like. Now this is how the lead section looks like. It has all the leads in the order of recency. The one new lead, the fresh lead, is showing right at the top with the option of grab indicated on the blue button. Now let me give you the attributes about each lead. Every lead starts with a tag which shows either it's a new lead or a grabbed lead, which indicates in green right at the top, followed by either a product name or a category name searched by. So in this case, it's acrylites copolymer manufacturers, followed by area for the lead, area of the search. That's in this case, since it's a B2B category, it's a Mumbai city, followed by date and stamp 9th December 7:26 p.m. Also, user remarks are also passed on to the lead for pre-screening. So for example, in this case, it gives you very explicitly information about the physical state of the requirement of acrylite copolymer, which is powder. Now you can always click on the blue button which shows grab buyer information to grab the lead. Let me show you how it works. Now this is exactly how it works. Once the lead is grabbed, the status on the top of the lead changes from new to grabbed and also gives you a status called red. Also, you will be able to see user information. For example, in this case, the username is Richa and you have 3 options: call, message and email to get in touch with the user. Now let me click on the call icon and show you how the call will work. And you can directly call from the app itself here. Also, if you click on the message icon, you will be able to send WhatsApp or SMS. Click on email icon will generate the email and you can always trigger the email from the app. Now, once the business owner clicks on call, message and email, there will be always a pop-up which will be generated once he comes back to the leads page. Now, this pop-up usually is a feedback of every lead which the business owner has grabbed. Here you go. You see that it just questions the business owner saying you just connected with Richa. Was this lead relevant to your business? Here, the business owner has the capability to tag it as yes, no, unable to contact. Let's say he tags this lead as irrelevant. Then it's going to ask you further questions on what is the reason for that. Either it's a telemarketing call or is the person searching for job, incorrect category, denial for any search made or receiving wrong calls. Let me select telemarketing calls and let me tag it as irrelevant. If you see right on the top, the tag changes to irrelevant. Also on the lead on the right hand side, you see 3 dots. These are the 3 dots used to tag the lead. So for example, let me show you some example. Since I've already tagged the lead as irrelevant, let me show you on this. Let me click on the 3 dots and this is what the 3 dots indicate. You can tag a lead by a follow-up, deal completed, not interested, not contactable, or irrelevant lead again. Again, irrelevant lead will ask you all the same questions like what's the reason, and you can indicate the same. Now, this is exactly how the leads page looks like. When you start at the top, it will show you 4 tabs: analytics, leads, passbook, and reviews. Under the leads section at the start, it shows you 899 leads, which are the total number of leads for you on this page. Just below the 899 leads, you see also an option to download the leads. When you click on that, you will be able to select a date range where you want to download the leads, submit it. Also select the format, whether you want it in a PDF format or whether you want an Excel format. Let me click on the Excel format, click on download, and here you go. This is exactly how you can download your leads and share it on email or to anyone of your employees, or you can share it on WhatsApp, or you can send by SMS, whatever means you want to select from. Also, right at just right side of the download leads is the smart filter icon. If you click on the smart filter icon, you will be able to do filter by date range. You can filter by platform, which is web, mobile, voice. You can also filter by the tags in terms of the lead disposition, whether it is follow-up, deal completed, not interested, not reachable. If you have multiple categories in your catalog, multiple categories in your contract, you will be able to select a category. Also, you will be able to search by area of the user where the lead is coming from. Basically, it helps you to narrow down what you're really looking out for in terms of that on the page. So this is exactly how the leads page, section would look like. Let me now click on the top, which is the passbook section. Now this is how the passbook section looks like. The passbook section, for every grab lead, you will see an instant debit which happens to your passbook from your balance. In this case, we grabbed a lead for Sachin just now at 7:32 p.m. and 199 rupees got deducted. It very clearly shows name of the user, what lead type, source type, which is best deal, date and time stamps. Also, if you see right on the top, you will see the way you can add a date range to the passbook and see custom searches. Also, right at the top, just next to your name, there is a rupee symbol. If you click on the rupee symbol, it will tell you the available balance for buying those leads. In this case, it's 1,090.92 paisa. Now, this is exactly how the passbook would look like. Now, for every lead which gets generated and which is available for grab, will come to you with the help of push notifications right instantaneously on your app. Now that's the fastest way to get access to your leads. Now let me show you how a push notification looks like. Now this is how the push notification looks like on an iOS phone. Let me hard push it and see this. This is exactly how it looks like. It gives you all the information before you can really grab the lead from the push notification. Right, you can grab a lead instantaneously from your push notification itself. It gives you all the information like the category, additional information for request for quote in terms of the state, quantity, required for what, which is the location for delivery. In this case, it's Mumbai, and date and timestamp along with the price for the lead which gets deducted. So this is a very easy way to get grab done right without accessing the leads page itself. Now, for that, please ensure that the notifications are always turned on the Justdial app. Let me click on grab lead from here and show you how it. Now this is exactly how it works when you click on the grab on the push notification. Once you've grabbed it, all the user information shows up right opened up for you. So simple, so easy, and gives power to the business owners to really grab the leads in the right fashion. Thank you guys. This is the end.